census versus sample, which is better? We will bring in all the elements which we had already talked about. It will all depend upon time. To naturally cost. Time, cost. 3, information required. क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, कितनी चाहिए, and above all level of accuracy. कितना एक्यूरेसी लेवल चाहिए? एक्यूरेसी कहां से आती है? Who conducts survey? The people, the trained personnel, they conduct survey, trained manpower. More they are trained, more can be the accuracy. Where do you think can provide more training, in census or sample? In sample you require few people, few trained people, so it is easier to train few people. In census you require large number of people. For example, in our example of school children, for conducting 200, if you require 2 people, for conducting 2000 you require 20 people. You have to train 20 persons, 20 teachers, 20 persons. So clearly on this basis normally sample can give you more accuracy. See, only in terms of collection. सैम्पल का अपने डिसएडवांटेज भी होते हैं, लेस कवरेज होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिस हो जाती हैं, उसकी हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो लेवल ऑफ एक्यूरेसी, द पीपल हु कंडक्ट सर्वे, हाउ मच ट्रेन्ड दे आर, दैट इज. So we have two principal methods of conducting of collecting primary data. Now we concentrate on sample basis, because most of the surveys in the country are on sample basis, barring a few. For example, population census is on census basis, otherwise most of the surveys are on sample basis. So we now talk about sample in detail.